Good morning, welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 500 rupees per month. You will get live calls in the group as well as advanced predictions in the group. Let's go to the Nifty, how it is closed on Wednesday, and then prediction for Thursday. Nifty ended up in the positive 12,749.15, 118.05 points in the positive, 0.93% in the positive, 12,680.60 is the opening. Went low around 12,571.10. High went around 12,769.75. Let's go to my prediction calls and the review. As per 9/11, after the pre-market opening, the Nifty opened in the volatile zone. So as per the data, it is bullish. Okay, but the pre-open was in the volatile zone, which means it might oscillate. We holding 12,500 call option for a 1 week tenure, so that is the reason I asked to keep safe stop loss and trial the stop loss. For that, these are all the points which it is activated. Downside, the lowest trend is having in the negative around 27 points minus, and positive side, if it is goes up, means it is having, it is showing a little higher side, which is 12,963. But we know that it has went somewhere around the range of negative average itself, even positive average itself to 15 points. So which means all those indicating that positive is very much high. And we wanted to safe exit in the 12,500, so I asked them to keep stop loss in the 150. Then after that, trial the stop loss, so I given the trial stop loss each and every time, and we found out a target initially around 12,748. that is the first target. So I asked the stop loss to be increased from 150 to 200. Every now and then the market has moved up. I asked to increase the stop loss to 25, like that every time I have given. Once the target is neared, if the stop loss level, this particular stop loss level 10 points is broken, means we get the next target of 12,790. But till now that target is not got it. It has tried to move towards to that near target. So we increase that 12,500 call option each and every time from 225 to, while it is trading around 245, we kept a stop loss somewhere around 200 at that particular time. So that stop loss got increased to 225, and then 225, that stop loss each and every time we asked to increase, because this particular candlestick pattern, that bottom line which it shows, that is the stop loss we used to maintain. So each and every time I asked to increase the stop loss exactly towards to that pattern, and then the stop loss was increased 230, and then followed by 240. From 225 to 230 it has increased. Each and every time it has slowly increased. After 240, the stop loss has increased to 250. This is where the stop loss got it around 253, because it is purely depends on the candlestick. So from 250 to 253, so we know that the candlestick was a little weird, because we kept a stop loss in this candlestick bottom. I know that if this candlestick was not gone breaking, then it will fall down, and because we know that the market is little volatile, so it might go down. So the stop loss got it at 253. So exactly that is what happened. The market started to fall down, because it is a volatile market. So once the market is fall down, I asked to watch out this particular 11,500. So we want to rebuy again. While typing that, it is fall down heavily, and uh, already broken 150 at that particular of time to buy current market price. So we couldn't able to keep the stop loss, or couldn't able to buy. So this stop loss schedule was rechanged to 140, and soon it is required to 175, but we change the stop loss to 150, or the cost to cost. So I asked to cost stop loss, because the market is having a bit negative trend, so it might have go down, but unfortunately the cost to cost stop loss got it after the rebought. So I didn't ask to rebuy around, it went low, but we know that it is going to recover. So the market, this is the level which the market has recovered from that low, because normally you used to keep 10 points as a stop loss. So 12,580.58, then stop loss 10 points, so 12,570.58. But you can check that today's, Wednesday low 571 is the low. So exactly it is got recovered from that stop loss. Whoever saw my yesterday's videos about the Wednesday's prediction, this is I mentioned specifically, if it is not breaking, then the market will recover, because we have a target in hand. And this target in we have a target in hand, so the market will try to recover from that low. So I specifically asked all the clients, don't go short, because the market will try to reach this 12,700. So after that you can buy PE, because while the market is recovering, if you bought PE, it will not going to work out. So that is the plan. And exactly market has recovered from the low 180 points, because many people asked me about buying PE, but I specifically want them, don't buy, because the market will sharply recover because of that low, and we have a target in hand. And exactly that is what the point also given, that from that low the market has recovered. See the low, exactly it is matching with the data. $12,571. From that level it is sharply recovered and broken the high once again as well. So that is the reason, if you buy somewhere in the put option, then the put option will easily go down. So that is the reason we have target. Still the target is not reached. This particular December contract, the spelling mistake is that if while typing I couldn't see, 11,000 PE for December contract. I asked to buy 34 rupees and hold for the entire December. So we might see some kind of a extremely bearish market that day. So worst case scenario, it might give you an exit somewhere 147. So because of this is the chart which due to the corona, it has went up almost 3,000 points. From that level it has fall down. So if anything creates a war kind of a zone with China, once again this 34 will go some level. It might go any level, but the worst case scenario, it might, if it is towards the bottom itself 147, we will get an exit. So that is the plan. So this 12,790.25, the target is still pending, so today we can expect to fulfill, and the SGX Nifty is showing some kind of flat opening is possible. So we need to check out how the data is going to be. And the Wednesday, you can check from this particular level, it has started to move towards to the target 12,790. So this target 12,790 is still pending. Let's go to the prediction for Thursday data, which we have all indications are on the positive, so we can expect a positive move. But one small indication we need to watch out, because the volatile level which came inside the positive, which means if anything opens below this level, bearish will get activated with the stop loss of overall average, which is 12,779.79 9.75 plus 10 points is the top loss. So 12,789.75, almost this is where our target is pending. 12,790.25 is the target pending, as you know, it has given. So we need to play much more cautiously, because if it is breaking this stop loss level and the target, so it might go little on the positive direction. Or what will happen is, if the market is not able to break the pivot level, which is 12,795, the market will start to fall down heavily once again, due to this volatile indication is came inside the positive. So that is where we need to watch out. So all we need to watch out is that if the market is opens in the gap down, or maybe in the negative, we need to watch out this bearish open target level is breaking or not. 12,681.78, this is the level we need to watch out. If this level is not breaking, the market will try to recover, and we have a target in hand, 12,790.25. this will get it. After this got it, what we need to watch out is this 12,795 is breaking or not. We need to watch out. If that level is not breaking, the market will once again fall down and will break this bearish open target level, and then this particular level will also get break, and the market might go 12,649, and subsequently, if it is breaking that 12,639.71, according to that, it will go for the downside. Otherwise, it will try to recover and oscillate in between the range of somewhere pivot on the negative. It might close in between range somewhere flat. So why? Because it is bullish. So if it is breaking this, then it might go towards to test level 90 points one, and then bullish open target level, which is 12,858. So it is very clear that all we need to watch out is the level which the bearish is breaking or not, and then we have a target in hand, which is 12,790.25. that after reaching that level, it is going to break the pivot level or not. Once the pivot level is breaking, then we have a target test level, which is 12,847 to 12,852. So it is kind of a clear indication. And the par value we are having 12,814. So if the pre-market is opening anything less than the power value which activating the bearish belt, so it might go 12,517 as well. So we need to play much more cautiously. You need to keep both options in hand today, even though it is still showing bullish. But if the market is not able to break 12,814, then it will not go to bullish. It will oscillate in the negative bearish belt itself. Even in spite all four indications showing bullish, it may not go towards the bullish if the market is less than 12,418, or if it is not breaking 12,814. 12,814.82 is not breaking. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Thursday. Thank you.